Finally just finished doing cookies. Is anyone awake? Oh no, there's a snowstorm. Oh, it's so good. Thank God I bought this matching things. No. Yes, Mom. Hi, I'm going with my friend tonight. How are you gonna go out with your friend tonight? It's snowstorm. Are you serious? Wait, actually, yeah. Come. We're gonna have to stay in the house. No. Oh. Guys, wake up. There's a snowstorm. Guys, wake up. Oh, Mom, what? There's a snowstorm, and I knew this was gonna happen here because we just traveled here. So I got this all matching. Only the baby didn't get matching. But she's wearing blue, so I don't think she can wear this right now. Oh wait, these are really cute. The gloves. Oh yeah, these are cute. Wait, guys, I forgot about mine. Did you actually? No, but I put it here. Oh, okay. Didn't. Mom. Wait, these are all super cute. Like, actually. Okay. Mom, I think I'm going back to sleep. Good night. Okay, I guess she's back to sleep. Me too. Oh, no, I want to play. Oh, okay, you can play. Let's go watch some movies outside. I'm gonna bake in the kitchen. I'm gonna watch on my phone. I'm gonna sit in the fire. I'm gonna bake with Mom actually because, like, okay, so these are in the oven. Guys, I'm putting you some fruits already. Who wants cookies? Me. Okay, we're gonna give it. Mom, these polka dot plates are so cute. Oh, thanks. Okay, I guess the cookies are almost finished because the other ones are for Santa Claus. Okay, this one's for me. No, actually, this one's for baby. No one eats it. Okay, let's cook. Okay, we're gonna need the milk. Put it here. Yes. Now we're gonna mix it. Okay, good. Now we're gonna put the cake in the oven. They're gonna come out delicious. So excited. Oh my God, this is so cute, Mom. We just need to put icing and raspberries. Guys, we made you some of this. If you want to cut this. Guys, so much dessert. No one's gonna eat all that. Christmas past. Why are you doing Christmas cookies? Did we forget that Christmas past? I think yes we did, Mom. You did. Oh, come on, baby. When you go outside and play with the snow, it's actually really bad. So, like, be careful. Okay, we're gonna have to take the Christmas things outside soon. Yeah, you're so right. Not excited. It's giving Christmas vibes. I love Christmas. I know. You guys don't mind closing them. Okay. Let's go outside. Look, baby. You can do snowman. It's actually so freezing in here. Thank God I got these hoodies because I was wearing a top. Mama, look what I made. Why is snow go good? I don't know what's happening with it. Mama, I want this. It's so cute. Okay. Be careful. Look, it looks like it. Let's throw on each other. Boom. Okay, guys, it's freezing. I really want to go back inside. Let's get the work in this bench. Steady, what? I want chocolate milk, to be honest. Go give it to me. Yes, that's all good. Guys, you're messing up the house. Don't let our dog eat it. Any of the food. Because I made him on the street. He's gonna love it. We made him a cookie. Your cookies are amazing. But everyone's watching me his phone. I know, right? I'm gonna go to their room and watch my phone. Baby, you play, okay? With your toys. And so... Set up this condo because Baba, Dad, what did you see? The electricity just went off. Yes, it just like went off on us. Thank God we have a fire open, guys. Because the whole city is no light, nothing. And it got into late lives. So we'll have to keep this fire for a very long time. None of this light even opens. Oh no. Thank God we have light from this candle. Oh no. The candle finished. There's fire outside, baby, you have to sleep. Okay. Okay, so she slept, everyone slept. I think we all have to sleep. But I don't know, this is a very short video. I'm gonna eat all of this because mom's like me to sleep and I'm just so tired. I'm eating. Okay guys, I'm gonna actually bake them dinner because I didn't bake them dinner. So I feel very bad that, oh, I forgot that the stove doesn't work. What should I do? The tofu does not count. Oh no. Now how do I bake dinner? They got I left some dinner here, but not that much. Guys, I have such bad news. I couldn't bake a dinner. The stove is closed. I couldn't open it. I was trying to open it more than 3 times. Did not open. Really? Bro, we're gonna eat this for dinner. We're all gonna share. But I don't really want dinner, so you could all share. Oh my god, this snowstorm is ruining my life. I was trying to eat, have a piece, go to my friends. I wasn't even gonna stay here. I wish I went early to stay with them, bro. They would have bought food. Hello, you can't use phones there. Their place is the most place that's getting used right now. That they cannot even use phones. Their phones are getting broken. They're not getting broken, but their phones are like not getting broken. They're like not working from the electricity. Like, okay, like yours are working. Like, by someone else recording something. My Pinterest drove off. Yeah. So like, you're not even using your phone. Well, they're not even using your phone. Like, are they answering you? No. Then that's why, like, guys, feel like they're better and you wish you went. Like, you can't even use it. They're like, what do you think you are? Like, who do you think you even are? Like, girl. Yes, like, their pride does not even work. By the way, Mom, from where do you get these flip-flops? Oh, what secret? It's a gift. Oh, Mom, I want the same. You literally have it forever. She wants the, like, what do you want the same? I just want the same, bro. Oh, you're crazy. Like, I want the same, but in different kinds. I'll bring you some. But the place, like, the place is only here. Okay, anyways, guys, eat, because you're not eating. Take some cow. I call it cow, guys, over here. Girl, you're eating all the food. Dad's supposed to eat them. There are 3 pieces for all. Bro! Mom, why did you just drop it? Not my problem. Mom, I want more. I can't bake more. What should I do? Do they have milk? It's not gonna be cold. Bro! Well, guys, it's too soon. I'm gonna close all the curtains, guys, because not everyone wants to sleep. It's too much for them to be awake. Guys, you have to go back to sleep. It's almost 1 a.m. and this has been too much for you guys. And the electronics are not even helping. I'm closing all the lights here. I wish I could even close these curtains, but I can't. Guys, by the way, this video is actually sponsored by Toca Boca, of course, if you don't know this. And this is the cold winter area, like cabin. You'll have to buy it. It's my favorite from the winter area. Even like the dentist, I love all winter areas. So you literally have to buy it. Like, it's actually so cute. Like, I promise. It's the funnest thing in the world. So just telling you to buy it. And yeah. Okay guys, that's all for the video. Bye.